Today, we explore types of reinforced concrete slabs, beginning with the one-way slab.
In contrast, a two-way slab distributes loads in two directions, supported by beams on all sides.
Flat slabs use drop panels for shear, while flat plates offer a completely smooth soffit.
For longer spans, ribbed and waffle slabs reduce weight while maintaining high stiffness.
Finally, post-tension slabs use high-strength steel tendons to achieve even greater span. Choose the right slab for your structure. Contact Aziz Engineering for professional design and construction.